So what's up guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about risk management and psychology. So basically the reason why I'm talking about psychology in today's video is because this month of April has been crazy trading gold, and it takes a lot of psychology for you not to blow your account, right? Psychology and risk management. Now let me explain what is psychology. Psychology is basically like no matter what the market is doing, right, you're going to stick to your rules. Whether the market is consolidating, it's not moving, you don't want to switch from one pair to another pair. You don't want to start risking maybe more than you normally risk on your account. So what happened to me? Little story, right? So I was trading my account, and then gold started trading in one particular area. For a week, yeah, I had like back-to-back losses, like 3-4 times, right, in a row. And basically, me before, I can trade maybe like 2-3 times in a week, but for some reason I kept on trading, which is bad, right? But then I kept on trading because of this becoming bad, but then this saved my account. Now I kept trading because I was kind of like having a bad psychology on what the market is doing. I'm a human. Sometimes my psychology can be on point. Sometimes it might also be crazy, right? But then I kept on trading. I kept on trading. But then this risk management saved me from all the bad times my psychology was fucked up, right? So these two things kind of like work hand in hand. These two things kind of like work together, right? If I didn't have a good risk management, during my bad psychology, I might just blow my account. But then, regardless of how bad my psychology is, I don't joke with the risk management. I keep to this, because once I pass this phase of losing, right, I will basically recover whatever I've lost during this downtime. Let's take for example, I'm risking $1,000 per trade, right? And then 5 trades, that's $5,000. Which some people, if you lose 5 trades, your head is already fucked up. Your head is already fucked up, right? But then, if you keep sticking to your risk management, which is risking 1K per trade, all you just need to recover this 5,000, right, might be just 1 or 2 trades, depending on your risk to reward, which is mine from day one. I've always preached 1 to 3 per risk, but 1 to 3 per trade or risk, anyone, right? So I've always preached this, no matter what's happening. So for me to recover this $5,000 that I've lost, I just need like 2 winning trades, and it's gonna give me 6,000, right? For some reason, it's not easy the way I'm saying it, because for you to lose 5 trades in a row, your head is not gonna be the same, and then that's when you start over risking, like maybe trying to risk 2,000 because you want to recover, or 3,000 in a day. Well, the point of this video is you can lose 6-7 trades in a row. Your head can be fucked up, right? But then don't let your risk management go, because this is what we want to save you. Because we are all human. There are times where we're going to be in a very fucked state, right, where our health is mentally not there, right? But then your risk management is what keeps you going. Keep repeating the same thing, or take a break, which is not easy to take a break also when it comes to trading. I'm just trying to make you guys see like how realistic it could be. Like, people say take a break, it's not easy. It's something you've been doing for years. There's an urge to like always look at the chart, always place a trade, triggers and all that stuff. But then it has to be controlled, right? If your psychology is down, Don't change what you've been doing. Don't change your risk because that's how fast your account can blow. Like to what I was saying before I explained this, me right now, this month has been crazy. I think I've just had like maybe 3, 4 wins, right? But then my account didn't blow because I stick to this risk management, regardless of my psychology being bad or the market being crazy. And you guys have to know, whatever the market is doing, the market, whatever the market is doing, the market is never at fault. Is never at fault. The market is never at fault. You have to understand that the market is just doing its thing. You're just trying to make money. So whatever you're doing, it's always your fault. So what I'm trying to explain is, if your psychology is coming bad, don't change your risk management because this was also going to save you during the bad times, when the market is crazy, when you're not feeling perfect, when you're not 100% there. Risk management is going to save you. Genuinely, it's going to save you. So, for me to end this, what I would just say is stick the importance of this video, or what to take home from this video, right? The first thing is stick to your risk management. Risk. Don't change this. Do not change this. Change this. No matter how the market is bad, don't change your risk. Do not do that because that's one of the things that can fuck you up and fuck up your account for you, right? Number two thing you have to understand is you cannot always be 100% on top of your game. There's gonna be losing streak. There's gonna be times where your psychology is gonna be bad. Accept it. It's normal. Don't think maybe, oh, you don't know what you're doing and you want to change your strategy. Just see this as a normal stuff. Normal stuff. It happens. See it as normal stuff that happens. You don't want to be having so much to think about it. And number three is 1 to 3. Some people do 1 to 1, fine. But someone doing 1 to 1 will likely win most of the time, right? Because 1 to 1 is kind of like, I've seen people argue about it, this, but just do what you want to do. If it's 1 to 3 that is best for you, cool. If it's 1 to 1, best for you. 1 to 2, fine. But me, I stick with 1 to 3 because no matter how long I lose, I just need few trades to recover my losses. Regardless that this can also fuck you up in the sense that when you lose like 3, 4 trades in a row, you might be like, it's like my strategy is not working. What is happening? Let me change my strategy. But I can tell you, just stick to it. Just look for errors and try to fix the errors. Maybe your trading time, the session that works best for your strategy, something like that. Not you going to change your strategy. So have this in mind. Don't change your risk. Accept that the market can be crazy sometimes and you can also be in a fucked up state sometimes. Accept that. It's normal. It happens to everybody. And then, for me, 1 to 3 is the best. I'll see you guys on my next video. Comment. If you have any questions, leave it at the comment section. And guys, make sure you're trading with Access Market because they are the best broker right now. 50% on deposit of 500 and above. So make sure to like, comment, and share this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.